Tired of your hair color fading faster than you'd like? What if you could protect your highlights and balayage from the invisible damage lurking in your water? Metal Detox Shampoo offers a simple solution to a common problem: harmful metals in hard water that weaken hair, dull color, and cause breakage. I started using Metal Detox Shampoo after noticing my color looked less vibrant and my hair felt brittle. This sulfate-free formula gently detoxifies, removing metal particles that traditional shampoos leave behind. Paired with the Metal Detox Mask, it brought my hair back to life, softer, shinier, and stronger. Plus, it didn't strip my highlights or lowlights, which was a relief. The shampoo lathers easily and rinses clean without leaving residue. While the scent is subtle and soap-like, the results speak louder: less frizz, easier detangling, and a noticeable boost in color vibrancy. What you get is more than just a shampoo. It's a targeted treatment that protects your investment in salon color and hair health. The convenient travel size fits perfectly in your carry-on, making it ideal for vacations or on-the-go care. If you're dealing with hard water or want to maintain your hair's shine and strength, Metal Detox Shampoo is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the detox it deserves.